learn about measurement of length and measurement of weight. Today in this class we will learn about measurement of capacity. Children, here you can see in this picture a big pot and a glass. If you fill water in both container, in which container the amount of water will be more? Obviously, in this pot, the water is more. So you can say the capacity of this container is more than the glass. It means capacity is the amount of liquid that a container can hold. This container hold more water, so its capacity is greater. This glass hold less water, means its capacity is less. Okay, children, the unit of capacity is liter or milliliter. Liter is a bigger unit and milliliter is a smaller unit of capacity. A spoon holds less water, so its unit will be milliliter, right? A water drop is very less amount, so it will be measured in milliliter. But the water in a jug is more, so it will be measured in liter. The water in a bucket is more, so it will be measured in liter. And children, all the liquid like petrol, oil, water, diesel, we measure in liter. Okay, and 1 liter has 1000 milliliter. So liter is a standard unit of capacity. Children, you all must have seen water tank in your house. Children, this water tank is a very big in size, so it holds more water and its capacity will be measured in kiloliter. Okay, and children, 1 kiloliter is equal to 1000 liter. Okay, and children, the liquid we can measure by this measuring can and measuring cylinder. You all must have seen the milkman using this measuring cans to measure the milk. And this type of measuring can you must have seen on the petrol pump to measure the oil. Okay, engine oil, right? Children, here you can see this is a measuring cylinder. On this measuring cylinder, the measurement is written. Okay, and here you can see the capacity of this cup is 100 ml. What does it mean? It means this cup holds 100 ml of water. When you pour water in this container by this cup and the water label shows 600 ml, means how many times you poured water in this container from the cup. कितनी बार डाला आपने? 100 ml one time आप डाल रहे हो, right? तो how many times you will pour water in this container? 6 times. Okay, so 600 ml. But when you will pour water 8 times, it will show this sign 800 ml. Okay. Now you all have understood what is capacity and what is its unit and what is the instrument that is used to measure the capacity.